like a lot of things when it comes to revision and when it comes to learning things. There is too much here. There's too much writing here. All right. So first of all, there are two different ways of looking at this. One is, what am I trying to do? All right. I do a calculation, I do a mole calculation and go, ah ha ha. My calculation shows me that I'm supposed to make 2.5 grams. Actually, that's what we call a theoretical yield. You can never get your theoretical yield. You can get close, but you can't. So for me, it's, well, I'm trying to make 2.5 grams of something, but I haven't actually made 2.5 grams. I've made less, and it will always be less. If it's more, it breaks the laws of physics. And the question I'm asking is, what is my percentage yield? So the way that I look at it is I've got a fraction and I compare it. My bottom number is always my biggest number. It is always my theoretical or calculated yield. So that's 2.5. What I actually got was 1.5. I want a percentage, I times it by 100.